Bahlanka ba supileng depong ya Pikitup swart copies tlasa masepala wa Johannesburg ba futhetswe ke monna ya hlometseng ka sethunya mme ho ntse ho sohla ke sesosa sa tlhaselo ena.
The security guards were all found with gunshot wounds to the head. The manager reported that 3 more security guards were rushed to hospital with serious gunshot wounds. It is not yet known how the suspect fled the scene. A case of murder and attempted murder has been opened, and the motive for the shooting will form part of the investigations by the Provincial Investigation Unit.
Ha ho letho le nkilweng ho bona mme le thepeng ya masepala ha ho letho le nkilweng.
We want to give our deepest of condolences to the family members of the deceased and wish those in hospital a speedy recovery. I also want to urge the residents to please assist the police with any information relating to the attack.
Ketsahalo ena isile basebetsi ba tshuile le ho sithabela maikutlo. Bahlanka ba babedi ba tshireletso ba sentse ba le sepetlele.